What is the greatest challenge that you're facing in your life today? I've actually asked this question of thousands of people, and over again, I hear the same answer. Onyx, my greatest challenge is money. I have found that if money is one of the issues in your life, oftentimes, unfortunately, this spills right into our close personal relationships. My name is Onyx Cole, and I want to spend just a few minutes talking with you today about community commerce or network marketing. So let's find out if this might actually be the answer to your greatest challenge. Because to be perfectly honest, it was the answer to mine. So who am I? I mean, really, honestly, I'm just some single mom from South Florida. I was actually introduced to network marketing 7 years ago. I've never said yes to network marketing. In fact, over the years, I've had many people talk with me about network marketing, and I've always just looked at them and said, no, and run in the other direction. I was afraid of something I knew nothing about. But I'm here today to tell you, 7 years later, $16 million later, I am so happy that I actually took the time to find out if Monavie might be right for me. So what is Monavie? Monavie is actually a network marketing company, an 8-year-old network marketing company that has done over $2 billion in sales. That was billion with a B. And what that means is Monavie has paid its distributors over $1 billion in commissions in the last 8 years. In fact, Monavie creates a brand new millionaire every 25 days. How do I know this? Because me, a single mom from South Florida with absolutely no network marketing experience, is one of those many millionaires that Monavie has created. I believe you could be Monavie's next millionaire. So what is network marketing? Network marketing to me is really just a chance for you to share and talk about a product and an opportunity with people you know and sometimes people you don't know. But the advantage to network marketing, it's not just the community, it's not just a great product, it's also the fact that you're going to create leverage in your life. For years, I had read about leverage and I had heard about leverage, but like many of you, the only way I knew how to earn money was to actually go to a job. And I didn't know, how can I go to a job and actually create leverage? Well, network marketing gives regular people like you and me, the opportunity to create leverage. Because you'll introduce the product to somebody and they'll introduce it to somebody and they'll introduce it to somebody. And all of a sudden you have a very big organization, a very big team. Would $300 or $500 a week make a difference in your life? In fact, statistics show that $500 a month would have stopped 50% of all foreclosures in the United States. How about $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000 a week? Would that make a difference in your life? This is the power of network marketing, and this is completely possible for you. So let's talk for a minute about what Monavie is. Monavie is so many different things, but in terms of product, you're going to find we have the most amazing juice. It's a combination of either 19 fruits or 19 fruits and vegetables. But the creme de la creme, the thing that you're going to love most about this juice, besides the fact that it's absolutely delicious, is it's made from the acai. And the acai is a fruit, it's a berry that comes from Brazil. When you drink this juice, what you will find is that Monavie will actually nourish your cells at a cellular level. For myself, before I was drinking Monavie, I was waking up in the middle of the night 2 or 3 times to go to the bathroom. Once I began drinking Monavie, I was sleeping all through the night. Can you imagine how different your life would be if you were sleeping all through the night, every night? Now you're going to hear lots of great stories about people like me who are sleeping like babies. Or perhaps your friends have actually got more energy since drinking the juice. And then there's another great member within the Monavie family of products. It's called RVL. And RVL is a whole weight management system where you can actually lose weight or maintain your weight. But the real kicker is you're going to do this by eating 5 or 6 times a day. I mean, who doesn't want to eat 5 or 6 times a day? Because what you'll find about the RVL products is they are packed full of protein and carbohydrates and vitamins and nutrients. So they actually feed your body and they feed your cells, just like the juice does. So if you're anything like me and my kids, you're going to find that you love the Monavie products. And you're going to find that you love the Monavie company. Because yes, Monavie is a family of products. But Monavie is also a compensation plan, a way to change your family's life. A way for you and me, regular people, to make money. Perhaps your business will start just like mine did. And it'll be $200 or $300 a week. And then it'll grow to $1,000 or $2,000 a week. And if you want to keep working your business, you might see your business explode, just like mine did. Is it possible for you? It's possible for each and every one of us. It doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter your religion. It doesn't matter where you live in this world. It doesn't matter your education. This opportunity is possible for each and every one of you. That's the advantage of network marketing. Because for me in my life, I knew that things had to be different. And I couldn't wait for another week or another month or another year. I needed things to be different now. I would guess that you need a change in your life as bad as I needed a change in mine. Ladies, I want to share with you a statistic. 85% of all women, all the women in the United States who earn more than $100,000 or more a year, do it in network marketing. 85%. Ladies, what I want you to know is that you were built for network marketing. If you're anything like me, and frankly, no matter where I go in the world, I find us women are all the same. We love to talk. In network marketing, you're actually going to get paid to talk. You're going to have more fun in network marketing than you've ever had in anything in your life. The combination of Monavie and you is stellar. So where do we go from here? You were given this CD by somebody who saw something in Monavie that was life-changing for them. The question now is, do you see that possibility in your own life for those things that are currently challenging for you? Then what I'd encourage you to do is to call them back and either figure out what's going to be the best way for you to take the next step. I would recommend that you either get on a webinar, that you sit down and have a cup of coffee with them and you have a one-on-one meeting to discover more about Monavie, or perhaps you might get on a conference call and there'll be 2 or 3 of you on the call so that you can learn more about Monavie. For me, I actually went to a home business review because for me, being in a group of people at one of my girlfriend's house gave me the opportunity to see something that most people have never seen in their lives. What I want you to know is that this is possible for each and every one of you. And the last thing that I'm going to encourage you to remember is that no matter who gave you this CD, no matter who sent you this link, when you're considering whether or not Monavie is right for you, I would encourage you to look at the company and look at yourself. It's possible that the person who gave you this CD or link just got started in the opportunity today. Your success will not be predicated on them. It will be predicated on the work that you do. I look forward to seeing you at a future event, on a webinar, on a conference call, or being able to just give you a hug the next time that we meet, because Monavie is a product. Monavie is a compensation plan. Monavie is a community, and I'm inviting you to join us.